Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic of today's discussion is locomotive boiler, working process, advantage, disadvantage, and application. Locomotive boiler. The locomotive boiler is a fire tube boiler. It is a device that is used to create steam from water by using heat energy. It is a horizontal drum assist multi-tube boiler. The main function of it is to generate high steam rate. Because of that, we see the great area of this type of boiler is quite big also. It has a number of fire tube boiler for improving the steam producing rate. Also, you can see an artificial steam jet truck. It present in this type of boiler for increasing the heat transfer rate. In this type of boiler, the stack in use instead of the chimney and burn gas of flue gases are removed by the stack. As the name suggests, it is a locomotive boiler main. It is movable so that we do not need to fit chimney in it. The flow of air over the stack removes the flue gases due to the pressure difference between the grate and the outside. This type of boiler is capable of producing a high steam rate, and hence it is used for railway, locomotive engine and in marine. As the name denotes locomotive boiler, that means those type of boiler moves with a certain velocity. Generally, it moves with a velocity of 60 to 70 km per hour. The construction of this is the same as any fire tube boiler with a little difference, and that difference I will mention below in this video.
And locomotive boiler is consist of a cylindrical barrel or cell, and this is the dome shaped chamber, and it is known as steam dome. These are the fire tubes, and these are the dampers are here for providing the for controlling the supply of the air. This is the aspect, and this arrow shows the path of the air that enters into the firebox. This is the firebox. It is a fire door, grate, and here we can see the burning of the fuel. This is the brake arc is here, stop valve or steam regulator. These are the superheater header, safety valve. These are the boiler mountings, pressure gauge, steam vessel, pressure gauge, water level indicator, blow of coke, fusible plug, and this is the manhole. It is here for blast exhaust pipe in smoke box. This is the smoke box door. It is the blower and it is a chimney. So now we will discuss the working of locomotive boiler. So here, as we can see, the coal is introduced through the fire hole from this door. Coal is introduced on the grate, which is placed at the bottom of the firebox. The hot gases which are generated here, due to the burning of the coal, hot gases are generated, and these are deflected by the brick arc, so that walls of the firebox may be heated properly, and this firebox is completely surrounded by water. This is the blue color that shows the water, except only fire hole and aspit. This is the aspit which is placed below the firebox, is fitted with dampers at its front and back ends. These are the front and back ends. The dampers control the flow of air to the grate. The hot gases passes through the fire tubes. As we can see, these are the hot gases passes through the fire tubes, and the hot gases passes from firebox to smoke box. Through the series of the fire tubes, then they are discharged to the atmosphere through the chimney. So as we can see, the exhaust of these flue gases to the atmosphere through chimney, and the fire tubes are placed in the inside the barrel, and some of these tubes are of large diameter and the others of smaller diameter, and here superheater tubes are placed. This is the superheated tube which are placed inside the fire tubes of larger diameter. The heat of hot gases is transmitted into the water through the heating surface of fire tube, and the steam is generated that is collected over water surface. So this is the portion where steam is collected, and a dome shaped chamber, that is the steam dome, is fitted on the upper part of the barrel, and from where the steam is flows through a steam pipe. This is a steam pipe into the chamber. The flow of steam is regulated by steam regulator. So this is the stop valve or steam regulated. Air flow of the steam that is controlled. From chamber it passes through the superheated tube. From this chamber it passes through the superheater tubes and returns to the superheated steam chamber that is not shown here, from which it is led to the cylinder through the pipes one to each other. And in this boiler, natural draught cannot be obtained because it requires a very high chimney which cannot be provided on locomotive boiler, since it has no run on rails. So it is run on rails. Thus some artificial arrangement has to be used to produce a correct draft. And in locomotive boiler, the barrel diameter, that is 2.095 meter, and length of barrel, that is 5.206 meter, size of superheater tubes 14 centimeter, number of superheater tube 38, size of ordinary tubes 5.72 centimeter, number of ordinary tube 116, steam capacity that is 9000 kg per hour, working pressure is here 14 bar, grate area 4.27 meter square, and coal brunt per hour that is 1600 kg, heating surface that is 271 meter square, and efficiency of this boiler is 70%. So these are the dimension and specification of locomotive boiler that is made at Chittaranjan Works in India. And I repeat again the various boiler mountings that include safety valve, pressure gauge, water level indicator, fusible plug, manhole, blow-off coke, and a locomotive boiler entails the following merits and demerits. The advantage of locomotive boilers are it has high steam capacity, low cost of construction, portability, low installation cost, and it is compact in size. But here are some disadvantages of locomotive boiler. The first one is it is difficult to clean some water spaces. It has large flat surface that need brushing. It cannot carry high overload without being damaged by overheating. And there are practical construction limits for pressure and capacity which do not meet requirements. And last one, there are chances to corrosion and scale formation in the water lags due to accumulation of sediments and the mud particles. So today we have learnt about locomotive boiler, its component and its working.
Advantage of locomotive boiler. This is portable, which means locomotive boiler can display it whenever required. It is capable for meeting Sweden and fluctuating demand of steam. This is a cost-effective boiler. Has a boiler steam generation rate. Disadvantage of locomotive boiler. It faces the problem corrosion and scale formation of unable to work under heavy load condition because of overheating problem.
Subscribe to get more updates and more video on mechanical topics. You may like, you may share among your friends and students. You can ask your queries by commenting. Give your suggestions if required. Thank you. Have a nice day.